on the next episode of Jump School.
You know, personally, I don't really kind of like persuade anyone to get the custom. To be honest, I'm just coming from my perspective because I feel like you actually have to like want to, like you have to love it enough to, want to have a custom suit, because you have to understand like there's a lot of small pieces that kind of goes into a custom suit. And this is what kind of makes it better. You know what I'm saying? Because you get to pick all of these little small details, like how big you want the lapels, how big you want the pocket flaps. You want to go double or a single breast jacket. Because, if you go into the store and you want this fabric but double breast, you can't do that. Mm-hmm. But when you somebody like me, you say, okay, Manfred, I like this fabric right here. Then we could kind of start to pick these little small details. So that's one way that I kind of explain it whenever someone is interested in it, to kind of build their interest more, is to be like, yeah, this is the main reason why you should, and then the fit is going to be superior as well.
If you want to hear more of this amazing interview, stay tuned for our next episode.